cost came up to 3,500 rupees plus some taxes and stuff. So total 1K came to 4,088.
Stop. What the hell are you talking about?
What's up guys, it's Neelam and welcome to my channel. As promised you guys, I have made that same top which Sejal got it made from Darji on Cowl for approximately 4,000 rupees. I haven't spent any amount on that because I had satin fabric available with me. I have a lot of fabric with me. So yeah, but if you try, you may need approximately 75 centimeter of fabric because of the front portion and the strings that we are gonna make. So yes, without further ado, let's start the video.
Take a satin fabric. I had this leftover fabric with me. If you purchase a fabric, don't buy more than a meter just to be on a safer side and make a longer string. In the name of pattern, you need a 10 by 15 inches rectangle which we will be cutting on a bias fabric. Make sure to cut two separate rectangles. On the corners of the rectangle, we will be attaching long strings, and at the mid and the end, we will be attaching loops to pass the strings. From the rest of the fabric, we will cut bias strips for strings. You can make strings as long as you want. I used all the remaining fabric for the strings. Now we will start stitching. And first we will attach all the strips together to make one long strip. Make sure to stitch all the strips diagonally as they are biased cut. Fold this long strip and stitch a line approximately 2 mm apart from the fold. The closer you stitch, it will look finer, but make sure to leave a room so that you can turn it inside out. Once stitched, we will cut the extra fabric and turn it inside out. Here I have taken a machine needle and thread it with 8 times thread and make a knot at the end of the string so that I can pass it through the case easily and won't lose the end. Now just pass it through the whole string and pull it inside out. Believe me, it is the most tricky part of this top. Rest of all is a piece of cake. The finer you make it, better it will be and it look more polished and designer. Now take two rectangles and stitch one side of it. At each of the two corners, attach the strings. Cut the whole string into two and take out 4 loops out of it. As we will be turning it inside out as well, make sure to attach the strings and the loops like this. One loop will be in the middle 5 inches below the string and the other will be at the corner. Do the same on the other side of the rectangle. Close the last open side but leave an inch or two so that you can turn it inside out. Once everything is done, finish it off by closing the opening by blind stitch. And do iron it. Ta-da! It's ready!
You might know how I feel. Top of the world, but your world isn't real. It wasn't ideal.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram account. Till then, stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.